Hey everybody, Tom Glazer here with another delicious and nutritious recipe. This one is for cornbread. It's vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free. So we start with making a vegan buttermilk substitute. You can use any milk substitute. I really like using unsweetened plain soy milk. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to 1 cup of soy milk. I'll mix this up and we're going to let that stand for about 5 minutes. This is a 1.25 cups of soaked millet, 1 cup of chopped zucchini, 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter, 2 tablespoons ground flax, 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you're on a salt-free diet, just leave it out. 1/4 cup of chia, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Vegan buttermilk is ready. The lemon juice has thickened the milk. Gives it that flavor and texture of buttermilk. And this is 1/3 cup of date syrup. So we'll just pulse this all together in the food processor. Finally, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Alright, here is our vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free cornbread. Let's give it a try. I love this. It just makes me think of good memories. It's nutritious and delicious, just like I was hoping for. I hope you'll give it a try.